Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our General English class. Today I will give you a brief description of lesson number 2, Subject and Predicate. We have already completed the chapter, and today I'll just give you a brief and short revision of what we learned from our textbook. So let us begin. So, what is the subject and predicate? That we have already learnt. I will show you a short video and then we will move ahead to the slide section. So, let us start.
Subject and predicate. A complete sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. For example, people from all nations go to see the Eiffel Tower.
In this sentence,
People from all nations
is the naming part, also called the subject. The subject tells whom or what the sentence is about.
The subject is either a noun or a noun phrase.
All the words in the subject are together called the complete subject.
The other part of the sentence, that is, go to see the Eiffel Tower, is the telling part, also called the predicate. The predicate tells something about the subject. It begins with a verb. All the words in the predicate are together called the complete predicate.
So students, what is a subject? Subject is who or what the sentence is about. For example, Sarah plays. Who's playing? Sarah. We are talking about Sarah. So Sarah is the subject in that sentence, whereas plays is the verb. Verb means action. Whichever action words are there, they are said to be as verb. Okay? Then what is the predicate? What the subject is doing. So whenever the subject is doing something, that is considered to be as the predicate. For example, Georg writes. What is he doing? He is writing. Who is writing? Georg is writing. So Georg is the subject and writes is the predicate. It is also the verb because no other thing is there in the sentence, so the verb becomes the predicate of the sentence. So understood students? In Sarah plays, Sarah is the subject and plays is the predicate, and same thing is in the next example. Now here you can see the sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Subject is a noun or a pronoun, whereas predicate may be a verb. What is given in the above image? The subject is the one who or what the sentence is about. Whenever we are talking about someone, we are discussing about someone, that particular someone is considered as the subject. जब हम किसी के बारे में बात करते हैं तो वो particular person को हम subject कहते हैं, और हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं वो हो जाता है predicate. So you can see the examples. The big green frog jumped across the log. So the big green frog, we are talking about the big green frog, and the big green frog is the subject. Jumped across the log is the predicate. It is telling what the frog is doing. Frog ने क्या किया? Jump किया. So वो हो जाता है predicate. और किसने jump किया? Frog ने. So big green frog is the subject. Similarly, the next example is my sweet grandmother wore a blue dress. So whose we are talking about? We are talking about grandmother. And how is the grandmother? She is very sweet. What is she wearing? She is wearing a blue dress. So my sweet grandmother is the subject. We are talking about grandmother. And what are we talking? We are talking that she is wearing a blue dress. So wore a blue dress is the predicate of the sentence. Next you have the old shack blew in the wind. Now we are talking about a old shack. Okay? So it is the subject, and what are we talking? That it blew away in the wind. So that is the predicate. So whenever we are talking about a particular thing, it is considered to be a subject. It is a noun or a pronoun, and predicate is what we are talking about a subject. जब हम किसी के बारे में बात करते हैं तो वो किसी को, that is particular person, thing, place, वो हमारा subject होता है, और उसके अलावा जो हम बात कर रहे हैं वो हमारा predicate होता है. Okay, come on, let us see some more examples and differences between subject and predicate. Now here in the above slide you can see the difference between a subject and a predicate. Subject is the person or the thing performing the action. तो subject क्या होता है? जो action perform करता है उसको subject कहते हैं. Whereas predicate क्या होता है? Predicate indicates the action performed by the subject. Subject क्या action कर रहा है वो होता है predicate. Next point is usually a noun or pronoun or a noun phrase they form a subject. तो subject कैसे बनता है? या तो उसमें noun होता है या pronoun होता है या noun phrase होता है. और predicate कैसे बनता है? Predicate contains the verb, objects and other elements. तो predicate में मेन क्या होता है? verb होता है और object होता है और उसके साथ जो भी अदर वर्ड्स होते हैं वो होते हैं predicate. ओके, तो ये सारे डिफरेंसेस आपको लर्न करने हैं. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर देम. सब्जेक्ट यूजुअली प्रिसाइड्स द predicate. मतलब सब्जेक्ट आगे आता है, predicate पीछे आता है. यूजुअली कम्स आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट और predicate कहाँ आता है? सब्जेक्ट के बाद आता है. But there are some sentences in which predicates come before and the subject is at the back. For example, हमने हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक में देखा था ना, we learnt about exclamatory sentences. In exclamatory sentences, the subject is at the end. So you need to learn all these differences, students. Come on, let us now have a short note about what is a subject. A subject is the person or thing that is doing an action or the person or the thing that is focus of the sentence. जो main होता है, जो action करता है, जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं, जो काम करता है, that is all subject. Then what is a predicate? The predicate of a sentence is the part that contains action. तो जब भी action होता है, action आता है predicate में. इसीलिए कहा गया है कि predicate contains a verb. Okay students, hope you understood this much. That's all for today. Do revise whatever I have shown you in this video and do complete your work. Keep your books up to date. We will be calling you for checking someday. We will inform you. Okay students? So please do take care and do complete your books. Keep them up to date. See you all very soon. Okay students?